Hello ladies, it's Mesa with kinsmade.etsy.com and I am showing you the March Simply Earth recipe box for essential oils. This is my second box, so we're going to open it up, do a little unboxing. Looks like this was hand packed by Cheryl, so we'll see how she did. Put this open for you. We are going to see what comes. We've got right off the top here some labels, recipe cards. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 recipe cards. And this one I think is a double-sided one. So 7 recipes it looks like, first glance. I want you guys to see in here, it looks like I have a little bit of a leak here maybe. So we will try to see what's left. I don't know if there's going to be enough to fuss about calling customer service or anything. We'll see how that looks. There comes with a little personal inhaler. I've never even seen one of these before, so kind of interested in that. These are the little extras that came this time. Lava beads. And I'm wondering, they do have, it looks like they do have holes. Of course, that's what lava beads look like. They all have holes. And then some diffuser reeds. And I was wondering if these are actually bamboo, but it doesn't really look like bamboo. I think that's a different thing altogether. I don't know whether bamboo would diffuse or not. If you know, put it in the comments so that I can get educated on it. So we have cypress. I'm really excited about this one. I think this one is considered one of the premium, in the industry, one of the premium essential oils. Patchouli. My mom loves this one. I'm kind of excited about that. These are 15 milliliter bottles. And energy. So this is a blend of eucalyptus, lemon, and peppermint essential oil. These are not diluted, guys. I don't know, some of the other multi-level marketing ones are actually diluted with coconut oil on their blends, and this is not. It's they're using 100% pure essential oil for the entire blend. So, and then orange is the fourth one. So 4 15 milliliter bottles, guys, for what is this box, like about 40 bucks. So, and I can actually even do a little bit better than that for you. And I wish someone would have told me about this before I subscribed. But if you go to simplyearth.com and use my code MESAS50, MESAS50, you can get 10% off of each of your first 5 recipe boxes when you subscribe. So if you stay on for the full 5 subscriptions, then it ends up being like $50 off, which is a pretty good deal. A better deal than I was able to get because I just followed a link here somewhere and I didn't know somebody. So anyway, I did want to mention from the February box, if you missed the February box, my must-have from the February box is Fir Needle, which I didn't buy it for this at all, but Fir Needle ended up being kind of my surprise thing, and I like to diffuse it with eucalyptus. It smelled really good together, not similar fragrances exactly, but both really pungent, and I really liked it. It's supposed to be good for microbes in the air too, which is why I chose to diffuse it. And the other one I liked quite a bit was the Rose Hydrosol. And I just use it on a cotton round, and just after I have clean skin, I just put the little Rose Hydrosol on there. It's very mellow scent. And my face felt really smooth, and then I just moisturized over that as usual. So that is the March 2020 box from Simply Earth. And I'll let you guys know more details about how I liked it and how I used it. Thanks.